Good morning, everybody. Welcome to the session today. We have been checking some information related to the virtual classes, okay? We're going to start today in this case and obviously refreshing some information that you got about this one. Remember that also in Edmodo, you received today the information related to this class. And also in Edmodo yesterday, you received also as Delta, as the tutorías, you receive my personal schedule and also the information, okay? Here you receive the information related to the rest of the class. Como tutoría, ustedes recibieron en la noche de ayer y lo actualicé el día de hoy, tempranito, antes de iniciar la clase, actualicé ya el horario virtual de clases. Por favor, este horario se va a mantener hasta cuando nos indiquen y tengamos que retornar a la presencialidad, ¿verdad? Aquí ustedes tienen todas las asignaturas, y por ende los usuarios tienen los links, tienen los ID y los códigos de acceso de las asignaturas. Entonces, de acuerdo al horario de clase, usted va a ingresar respetándose obviamente lo que el docente indique, ¿sí? Entonces, ustedes los tienen desde el día de ayer, lo actualicé hoy sumamente que temprano para aquellos que recién se incorporan a la sesión. Ojo, este enlace lo actualicé antes de abrir esta sesión porque habían algunos dos profesores que no habían colocado todavía los enlaces, ¿ok? Eso es en relación a lo que nosotros tenemos. Bien, me voy a pasar un ratito a la parte de la plataforma, que es lo que me interesa. ¿Qué va a suceder en este momento? Solo me voy a quedar, quiero que me escuchen bien. ¿Cuál es la actividad del día de hoy? La actividad del día de hoy va a ser asincrónica. Quiero que vaya, por favor, al student book. I need that you go to the student book, please. I need that you go to the student book. Open your student book. And you are going to complete page 100, 106 or 7. Which is that? We have the unit number 1, unit number 2, and unit number 3, right? I need that you verify the information, please. Okay, inform me about this, please. Anthony Cauja, tell me, okay, we have to verify the unit number 3, right? Or not? Nicolás? Nicolás, okay, don't worry about it. Nicolás, we have to verify, we have to revise the unit number 3, right?
Yes.
But we completed in class.
Yes, and we have to complete unit number 4 and just check the unit number 3.
Okay, so in this case, Nicolás, unit number 4 is page 104, 106. What is the number of the page?
No, 107.
107, unit number 4 is student book.
Yes.
107, right? 107, please, page 107. Page 107, unit number 4. You are going to complete the information in this moment, okay? So quickly, please. Right now, you are going to do it. In this case, you're going to have exactly 10 minutes for the activity. You're going to have 10 minutes for the activity. While I start with the rest of the students. Mientras ustedes trabajan en esta unidad, me voy a tomar la primera hora para verificar asuntos de la plataforma del nuevo libro. Mientras ustedes trabajan en la unidad 4 de la página 107 y la completan, yo voy a trabajar con algunos pendientes que tenemos de la nueva plataforma. ¿Estamos claros? You are going to work exactly the same that we work at class. You're going to use your posting papers. You are going to work with pen. You are going to revise the first part and the second. And you are going to combine the information related to that. Okay? Va a hacerlo de la misma forma que lo trabajamos en la clase. You are going to verify the information using your post and post. Okay? Ready? Okay, start, please. Calladito va a trabajar en su material con cámara abierta. Número 2. Yo he hecho el acceso mientras trabajan ustedes, me escuchan. He dado el acceso el día de hoy, a estudiantes que han ingresado a la plataforma el día de ayer. He dado el acceso a la plataforma del nuevo libro a los estudiantes que ingresaron el día de ayer. Aquí tienen ustedes, estudiantes que han ingresado, Aguilar, Alcíbar, Álvarez, Ambrosi, Benítez, Caicedo, Cajo, Castro, Valareso, Cauja, Sata, Doménica, Chimborazo, Choes, Polit, Cuello, Flores, López Ochoa, Israel. Lo tengo a Israel y lo tengo a Misael aquí. Confírmame, por favor, a quién es el que tengo que eliminar de aquí.
Buenos días, Miss. Tiene que eliminar a Israel.
A Israel, ¿verdad?
Sí,
Israel ya está en el otro curso, ¿verdad?
sí, ya está en el otro curso.
Dame un segundo. Israel Gedidas López Ochoa. Ahí lo tengo que eliminar. Él ya está inscrito en el otro, ¿verdad?
Sí, Miss.
Exacto. Perfecto. Students. ¿Qué? Ok, Misael Gedidas López, Quilligana, Ricardo Adrián Reyes, Ruiz Espinosa, Suárez Cruzati, Uyi Piedraíta y Vinuesa Landa. Y tenemos a Zúñiga Burgos. Todos estos estudiantes ya fueron agregados el día de ayer y ya les es visible la asignación que tienen que trabajar. Recuerden que tienen que trabajar la asignación que está abierta hasta el día domingo 6 de la tarde. Por esta vez se hizo esta concesión para que todos los estudiantes puedan ingresar y puedan tener obviamente su texto. Ya tenemos la garra de progreso de los estudiantes que han iniciado su trabajo y que obviamente pues ya comienzan a trabajar sus primeras puntuaciones del parcial. Se recuerda que esto ya es puntuación del primer parcial. Aquellos que no hayan ingresado a la plataforma, que no hayan ingresado aún, recuerden que solo tenemos hasta el domingo y desde ahí pues no podré solucionar problemas. ¿Cuál es mi afán? De que todos tengan su material y poderlos agregar en clase o que ustedes puedan traer ciertas dificultades, es porque ustedes saben que esto es una plataforma de reciente uso en la institución. Y por ende, esta semana se ha dedicado el área de inglés a revisar todos los problemas de plataforma. Hemos trabajado el lunes y hemos trabajado martes en clase con las inquietudes de los estudiantes. Así que mientras el resto trabaja, yo me quedo aquí analizando los problemas de algunos, ¿ok? Ahora sí, algún estudiante que se le hizo problema tras la explicación de ayer, considerando que ayer les dije las dos formas que tiene que utilizar en caso de que le salte el problema. Veo que algunos ya ingresaron sin ningún inconveniente. ¿Alguien que esté teniendo problemas con la plataforma que no haya podido ingresar? Por favor, me indican. ¿No? Perfecto. Ok. Bolívar Caicedo. Okay, unit number 3, start reading, please.
Okay.
Good.
Put the times in the correct order.
Okay, for you, what is the correct order for this?
Number 1,
Yeah.
then past 2,
Continue. Number 2.
25 past 2,
Okay, number 3.
20 to 3,
Okay, number 4.
a quarter to 3,
A quarter to 3. Okay, continue the number 5.
4 o'clock.
Very good. Okay, those are the corrections, please, about the times. Remember that when you're using past, you refer the minutes after. When you say 10 past 2, you are talking about the minutes after that, okay? And 2 is before, okay? It's before, the minutes before that, okay? An o'clock, that is exactly the point of that. A quarter is exactly 15 minutes previous the next hour to do this case, or in this case, past, okay? There is examples on this. Ready? Ready? Right? 1, 2, 3, 4, okay? And 5. Now continue with the next one. Say the number 2, please. Anthony.
She missed
Continue with the number 2.
20 past 10.
Okay, continue. Continue.
Past 8.
Okay, number 3.
45 past 6.
Okay, 45 is correct. Attention. 45 past 6 is okay. It's not incorrect. But what is the proper form to use, everybody? To say 6:45. It's okay what Anthony says. It's not incorrect. But the perfect way to say that is to say 6:45. Remember that is 15. This is 6:45 or 45 past 6. It's okay. But remember that is quarter for the next hour. Here is 6. For the next is 7. That is a correct form. Correct that instruction, please. Correct instruction. Continue, please, Anthony.
Sí, mira, es que me había saltado de la 2, me había saltado a la 4, por eso dime la respuesta, disculpe.
Okay, number 4.
Four.
Speak in English. Number 4.
Quarter past 11.
11. Quarter past 11. Quarter past 11. Number 5, Anthony.
4 o'clock.
4 o'clock. Thank you very much. Nicolas, continue with the rest.
25 to 3.
Okay, it's 25 to 3. Remember, 2, you approximate to the next hour. Using 2, you approximate to the next hour. Okay, continue with the number 7, Nicolas.
10 to 8.
10 to 8, attention. Remember that you are using 2. You refer to the next time in the watch or the clock in this case that you have, right? 10 to 8, continue.
2 o'clock.
Okay, number 9.
5 to 9.
5 to 9, very good. 5 minutes previous 9, okay, continue.
10 past 3.
Exactly, 10 minutes after the correct time, okay? Please write the information, correct information, okay? Quickly, let's do it. Hurry up, hurry up. Okay. Let's do it, please. Quickly, please. Okay. Let's do it. Okay, now we continue with the next activity after you have been revising this. And obviously now we go to the activity number 3, okay? What do you have to do, Ricardo Reyes? Okay, Ricardo.
January.
What do you have to do, Ricardo?
Scrambling the words for months.
Unscramble. What is to unscramble? To organize the information, okay? What is the first one?
January.
January, continue.
February.
February, number 3.
March.
Number 4.
April.
April. Number 5.
May.
Continue 6.
June.
Continue 7.
July.
July. Very good. Joel Francisco, continue with the number 8. August. Number 9.
September.
Very good.
October.
Repeat.
November.
Repeat the number 10. October.
October.
Very good.
October.
11.
November.
November, repeat.
November,
November, okay, number 12.
December,
Excellent, December. Okay, thank you very much. Okay, so you have here the months here, right? So correct the errors. Correct the errors. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, let's do it quickly. Correct the errors. Exactly the same process. De la misma manera que corregimos en clase, vamos a hacer el peer assessment, okay? Continue. Now we go to the next block. In the next block, here we have some charts. We're going to use the ordinal numbers. We're going to use the ordinal numbers. Ashley. Okay, Ashley. Antes de continuar, si la sesión se cae, retomamos, volvemos a insertarnos. Si la sesión se cae, de inmediato nos conectamos al mismo link. Okay, Ashley, continue.
Copy and complete the table with the full form of these ordinal numbers.
Okay, what is the first one, Ashley?
Number 1, first,
Huh?
second,
Mhm.
third,
Third.
third,
Ajá.
third, fourth,
Hmm?
10th, 18th,
18th.
18th,
Ajá, continue.
23rd,
23rd. Very good. Ajá, 23rd. Continue.
31st,
31st. Continue.
43rd,
43rd. Continue.
50th.
Very good. Excellent, Ashley. Okay. Correct the errors. Remember that you're talking about the ordinals. You have the pronunciation of the age that you are blowing on. Okay. Please correct the errors quickly. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Ready? Let's do it. Let's do it quickly. Okay, let's do it. Okay. Correct the errors. Correct the errors. Quickly, quickly. Correct the errors, okay? Si no alcanzó, tome las capturas de pantalla y vaya grabándolas en un documento de Word. Okay. Very good. In this case, now we continue with the next block of them. And obviously we go to the grammar reference. Now we go to the grammar reference. And here we continue with these ones, the present continuous and the questions. We continue about them, okay? Lisette, start reading. Okay, Lisette.
Complete the present continuous sentences and question using the verbs in the box.
Okay, what is the number 1 for you, Lisette?
Are people singing traditional song?
Very good. Remember that people is a plural noun that refers exactly to a group of people, a group of person in this. When you're using people, you use are. You use person, you use is. Continue with the number 2, Lisette.
Selena and listen are making decoration for the party.
For the party, are making. Remember that in the present continuous form, into the present continuous form, you're going to use is, are, am, and the verb with the ing form. Is, are, am, and the verb with the ing form. Lisette, number 3.
We are making the first words from your garden.
For our garden, are watching the fireworks. The fireworks. Continue, number 4.
It's not snow, it's another celebration at midnight.
Okay, in the number 4, it isn't snowing. It isn't snowing anymore. No more, anymore. Isn't, remember that you are going to use the negative. Isn't and the verb with the ing. Aren't and the verb with the ing. And not and the verb with the ing. Okay? Complete. Thank you, Lisette. Continue, please. Correct the errors quickly. Correct. You know the procedures, the form that we check it. Okay? Ready? Let's do it quickly. Okay, so those are the instructions that we have on this. Ready? Okay. We continue with the rest. Okay, so in this case, now we go to the next part. Now we go to the next part according to this. Okay, continue Armando. Armando. Activate your microphone. Very good. Right?
Right question. Use the word below.
Below. Perfect. Below. Very good. So Armando, you are going to form the question. What is the question for you? Number one.
And what happened now, London?
Okay, make the correction. What is happening in London now? Remember that you are going to form questions. When you have the WH questions, you are going to use the verb. In this case, the verb to be or any auxiliary verb. What is happening in London now? Now is exactly the complement for the present progressive tense. Okay? Continue with number two, Armando.
Your family have party on home.
But what is the correction, Armando? What is the correction? Are your family having a party? Remember that you have to make the transformation of the question, Armando. Are your family having a party at home? Continue, Armando. What is the question number three?
How many now countries celebrate New Year?
Okay, what is the correction? Are celebrating. Are celebrating. How many countries are celebrating New Year now? What about the number four, Armando?
What preparing your dad in the kitchen?
What is your dad preparing in the kitchen? What is your dad preparing? And what is the number five? What is the number five, Armando?
You feel excited about the party.
Are you feeling excited? Are you feeling excited? Very good. Okay, thank you, Armando. Let's do it. Correct everybody, please, so quickly. Please correct the errors. Correct everything that you have in this case, right? Correct the errors quickly. Let's do it. Hurry up, hurry up. Ready? 1, 2, and 3. We continue with the next one. And obviously we have to read the information about this. Valesca Vasquez. Okay, Valesca. Read the sentences. Recuerden que si se cae la sesión nos conectamos de inmediato, ¿sí? Al mismo link. Okay, Valesca, start reading. Read.
Read the sentences and choose the correct expression.
Okay, number one. What is the number one?
At the weekend.
At the weekends?
At the weekend. Hey,
Weekends.
where?
Where what? Where?
Is a hey.
Having or have?
Have.
Okay, continue with the number 3.
Where?
Number 4.
Build one.
What is the number 4? What of both?
One.
Put on, continue, and the number 5?
At the moment.
Okay, we are going to make the Yo le he dicho a nadie activar el annotate bar. So, in this case, we're going to correct the errors. Okay, do you see at the weekends? Perfect, because it's present simple tense. My sister doesn't usually put on. Present simple, perfect. Okay. are watching the fireworks at the moment. Perfect. But what happened in this case? We're saying we are having, remember that you say we are, and I am wearing. That is exactly that you are going to work on this, okay? Very good. Okay, so here we have less than a minute. Here we have less than a minute for this activity, okay? We have less than a minute, okay? Nos vamos a ir y nos conectamos de inmediato. Nos vamos a ir y nos conectamos de inmediato, ¿sí?